My name is Aura. I welcome all of you to this art show. The name of the show is Beauty in Pandemic. Are you all ready? So please relax, sit back and enjoy the show.
भाग रहे थे सब न जाने किस दौड़ में। कदमों को रोक कर कुछ देर ठहरते हुए देखा है। मैंने कोरोना के समय कुछ अच्छा होते देखा है। हेलो, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। मेरा नाम नेहा दुआ है और मैं एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ कानपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश से। टुडे आई एम हियर टू रिप्रेजेंट माय पेंटिंग इन द एग्जीबिशन ब्यूटी इन पैंडेमिक. The special thing about my painting is that I have made this on the poem written by me in this pandemic time. First of all, I would like to narrate my painting and then will give the explanation. मैंने कोरोना के समय कुछ अच्छा होते देखा है. मैंने कोरोना के समय कुछ अच्छा होते देखा है. भाग रहे थे सब न जाने किस दौड़ में. कुछ देर कदमों को रोक कर ठहरते हुए देखा है. मैंने कोरोना के समय कुछ अच्छा होते देखा है. परिवार में जो कभी खाना खाते नहीं थे साथ, परिवार में जो कभी खाना खाते नहीं थे साथ, उनको भी साथ गाना गाते हुए देखा है. मैंने कोरोना के समय कुछ अच्छा होते देखा है. घर का जो कोना अंधकार में रहता था, घर का जो कोना अंधकार में रहता था, हंसी की आवाजों के साथ रोशन होते देखा है. मैंने कोरोना के समय कुछ अच्छा होते देखा है. और की चाहत में जो भूल गए थे हम सभी, और की चाहत में जो भूल गए थे हम सभी, खुशी बांटने में है, खुशी पाने में नहीं. उनको भी गरीबों को खाना खिलाते हुए देखा है. मैंने कोरोना के समय कुछ अच्छा होते देखा. So in this painting, I have shown the bad time of corona in this dark, with this dark color, dark clouds, and अच्छा होते देखा है. The good time is depicted with this yellow sun or the yellow circle. The tree here is depicting the line कुछ देर कदमों को रोक कर ठहरते देखा है, क्योंकि ट्री जो है वो ठहराव को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. इस कॉर्नर में जो फ्लावर्स हैं, दीज आर डिपिक्टिंग द लाइन. अंधकार को में हंसी की आवाजों को गूंजते हुए देखा है. एंड दीज म्यूजिकल नोट्स इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग गाना गाते हुए देखा है परिवार को. एंड इन द सेंटर दिस एरिया is depicts the last line which says खुशी पाने में नहीं, खुशी बांटने में है. So here I have represented this with this. Hope you like my abstract painting. Thank you so much.
Everyone, I am a student of Nehama. My name is Arnadu. Today I am going to explain one drawing that we made in drawing class. In this is night and this is day. This, we've used the method of cross. We've used light blue and dark blue to do the night side. In the day side, we've used orange, yellow and red to make it look like it's a day. This is a tree and this is its leaves. We've used oil pastels for the tree and its leaves and the background. In these flowers, we've used white paint. And in this drawing, I did it in drawing class. The background we've done rainbow and shaded it with the tissue paper to blend it. We've drawn a tree and made the leaves with the paint. We've done the same thing over here. We've used scrappers to give more finishing look.
Yeah.
We've used the grasses. We've made lines as grasses. Thank you.
During this period of lockdown, it was very boring. So Neha conducted this workshop of natural colors, in which she taught us how to make colors, natural colors with available material at home, like vegetables, spices, and all that. So we made natural colors with vegetables like beetroot, spinach, and we used coffee powder, turmeric powder to create original colors. So it was very interesting workshop that she conducted, and it gave me a lot of positive energy. Thank you, Neha, for conducting this workshop and introducing me to this new technique of creating natural colors at home. So I will continue to experiment in this. Thank you. And since last 3-4 years I have been studying fine arts under her guidance. She has really inspired me to make original painting. Initially we studied how to recycle dry seeds and leaves and how to create collage paintings out of it. So I have made this leaf collage and mosaic painting of dry seeds and leaves. She gave us a very riveting session on English proverbs. So I have selected the proverb called perseverance, and in my painting, in this painting, I have shown bird's perseverance, how persistently it built its nest. Despite its struggle, it ultimately achieves its success. Then she also taught us figurative drawings. So since I was interested more in abstract form, I have created this series of music and dance, that is especially folk dance, and I have created this series of paintings in which I have shown different types of dance and music, instruments of music, and this is how I have created my original paintings in fine arts. And now I have started selling my own paintings. So if anyone is interested, they can get in touch with.
My name is Nishta Third. I'm 4 years old. My ma'am name is Neha Auntie. I will tell you about my two paintings. This first painting is a stray cat. He comes in my building. I would like to sing a song. Smelly cat, smelly cat. What are they feeding you? Smelly cat, is not your fault. Smelly, 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 smell is not your fault. Thank you. This is my second painting. It's a colorful tree. She will have to dust for you. Thank you.
Auntie, you're how many years old?
82-year-old.
Auntie is 82 years. Now tell me the whole experience yesterday. You started off this,
Actually, the 2 days were wonderful.
like
The first day, actually, we did the
planning of a design.
planning of the design, and I wanted to do intricate one, but then she advised me, Neha advised me to do this thing, and it was really exciting because I had never been in this area, and I never thought that it's so intricate and each line matters. How like even the straight lines have got a meaning.
Yeah.
And they create some design,
Yeah.
creativity, and you feel that something creative is coming out of you, which you never knew.
Wow. And that is positive or negative feeling?
It is not negative, it is positive. That
Wow.
you are capable of doing this.
Oh, amazing. At
Because I
any
have
age.
never done this.
What a talk.
I have never done this.
Yeah.
So it is a new experience, and like a small child, I enjoyed it. And today, it was actually all dazzling and dazzling and all that, because all these actually putting the stars and all that. And I see people doing that, but I know how much hard work there is behind it.
Today we
And
realize.
planning, understanding of color combination, understanding of visual art.
My God. Auntie, you're picking up so many important lessons of art.
Yeah.
That's so nice. That's so nice.
I wish I could do at least once a month some activity like this.
We
so
will
it
do.
can last me for
Yeah.
another month.
It will last you for another month means what? The energy of this.
Energy, your ability. See, what one is interested is one's own ability to do things at this age.
Actually.
That actually gives a lot of confidence. And
Confidence.
to do other things also.
Like?
Yeah, if I left with something, I said, yeah, I can do it. Because I did it.
Yeah. Oh my God. And the routine of your life becomes interesting also.
Yeah. Routine of my life becomes interesting. That's what I'm saying. That your creativity is created. Not only for doing this.
You get charged up inside
You
also.
charge inside also. And you may try another dish.
Oh.
Making home.
Yeah.
Which you have not done.
See.
Yeah. So, really thank you.
Hello friends, I am very happy to share a small video of my art journey. Creating an original artwork gives immense pleasure as you are able to express your thoughts, your emotions, your mood. And throughout the painting you are connected with that painting. And afterward also whenever you see that painting, you always get connected to it. My active art journey began since last 10 years with Asher's art. Neha is an excellent art teacher who motivates her student to bring out best from her. She encourages you to make an original artwork rather than copying. So under her guidance, I have made many beautiful artworks which are, I must tell you that which are the masterpieces. I enjoyed looking at them. I hope all of you enjoyed this. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nityam Vitai.
Hi friends, I am Bharti Suresh, currently living in Pune. I took up art as a hobby 6 years back. Since then I have done a few paintings using different medium. Then I started developing interest towards portrait making. I thought why not do my own portrait, and this is the self-portrait I have done using oil medium. And then I have done a couple of other portraits, soft pastels, and then oil medium. I am still continuing to make portraits. I would like to thank Neha from Asher Art Corner for giving me this opportunity to showcase my work. Thank you. Namaste.
Hello Neha ma'am, I am Shivangi. Hello Neha ma'am, I have composed this poem and it is dedicated to you. Neha ma'am, you are the best as you have helped me express myself through my art, and I thank you with my whole heart for your guidance, support and time to learn this art which is so sublime. When life has become so sad, you help me at pattern shaped forms and colors cool and warm. You also help me explore the beautiful world around me and much more. I don't know where would have I been without this art, I really mean, with all the colors and the shades which will never ever fade. My life is brightened up with your art, and again I would like to thank you with my whole heart. Thank you Neha ma'am for your guidance, support and patience.
Hi everyone. COVID-19 has been incredibly hard on everyone, whether it be frontline workers, kids, teachers, parents, and just everyone all around. But for my family and me, it's been an especially hard time because amidst the pandemic, we received news that I have cancer in my 30s. And this was without any family history or anything. So to say that it was unexpected is a huge understatement. Just to give you some background, I've always been interested in arts and craft, but never took it seriously enough or took formal classes for quite a while. I did some classes in between with Asha's art classes in Pune, off and on for a bit. But even then, never really pursued it because life just took over and other priorities happened. Well, this time, I decided with all the extra time on my hand that it was a good time to reinitiate it. And I can't stress enough just how healing and creative and therapeutic this whole process has been for me. And it's also given me a lot of bonding time with my little one. So much so that, I recently came back from the hospital after surgery, and my husband had gifted both me and my daughter a small art and craft room within the house because he said, I can see a tremendous amount of difference in just how happy you are and how productive you are. So please continue chasing your dreams and following your passion. And so I highly encourage all of you, to pick up those paintbrushes, color pencils, and or whatever it is within the arts and craft realm, and start creating. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Geeta Malkani. I am a teacher. I have been teaching for almost 4 decades now, across curriculums and across boards, including IB. Today, I am going to talk about the importance of art in education. Arts create joy and success in education. A balanced curriculum, rich in arts, boosts students' confidence and creative thinking, propelling them to come up with new ways to answer probing questions. Art history teaches them humanity and global diversity. Art helps students to see the world of the past, the present and the future. The process in the art in any form, even observing it, relieves stress and releases endorphins that let you enjoy a sense of fulfillment. Arts is important in education because they connect our hearts, hands, and brain. I can give you hundreds of reasons why art is important, but some of the most certain ones are that it develops children's creativity. It is good for motor skills. Just holding a paintbrush or scribbling with crayons helps them develop motor skills. It also helps them to learn visually, especially young kids. It gives them confidence, increases their focus. It teaches them to collaborate with others and have perseverance, which definitely pays off. This mindset will definitely help them, especially during their career, where they are likely to be asked to continually develop new skills and work through difficult projects. I hope I have been able to tell you how art is important in education. Thank you.
Hi, Shravani. Hi. Okay, I would love to talk about this pretty girl. She have joined my class since last 2 months, right? And she is gifted. She loves sketching. Whenever she is free, she goes on sketching. So can you explain us, Shravani, what is this?
This is the Gauri Puja one.
Okay.
I made.
See, this is Gauri Puja. So this she had done during
The Gauri Puja.
Gauri Puja. What is this?
This is a girl I drew.
This is the girl. And then, oh lovely. What is this, Shravani?
This is my imagination drawing. The elephant is scared of the mouse.
Elephant is scared of the mouse. Whoa, this is the other way around, huh? Lovely, lovely. So this girl loves scribbling and sketching, and she comes up with such lovely ideas, and character sketching she loves the most. So can you explain us this, Shravani?
This is actually a game, but I drew it in a realistic character.
Okay. And see her expression. So you are really gifted. This is so cute. What is this dog about
This is my dog. His name is Sheru, and he is. His birthday was yesterday, and he is now 8 months.
He is 8 months, and this is her dog. And see how in art, whatever is in your mind, it just comes out. And actually, I have seen this lovely dog of Shravani. And see this her more sketchings, and it comes up every time she's going on sketching.
Good evening, everybody. Now I am explaining a landscape painting of myself, which was a simple landscape, but I have converted it into a 3D painting. For giving this 3D look, I have used lots of materials here for different levels of painting. I have used wood pieces, thermocol sheets, chalkboards, pencils, sands, and thermocol balls. And after that, I have done the oil painting on that. I am very happy to create this painting, and I love this painting very much. This is also one of my original painting. I have conceptualized this for our Devi Durga. As a Bengali, I am a worshipper of Devi Durga, and what is coming my mind when I am thinking about Durga, I have used all those things in this painting. The painting was selected as a cover page of our Durga Puja. Now I am talking about my 2 paintings which I have done from my own photograph. The first one is from Vigwan Bird Sanctuary. When we visited there, we have taken that photograph, and after that I have converted it in my painting. And the second one is from Sri Lanka. When we visited last year, we had gone to a place called Nuwara Eliya. From there I have taken this photograph. That was a British colony. Until today, they have kept all the doors and windows just like that, how the British used to keep. I like the place so much, and I have taken the photograph. After that, I have converted it into my painting.
Beauty in Pandemic. These paintings are made by my student. They have expressed their inner emotions through colors, textures, shapes, forms, and how they feel.
Hello, this is Rahul. I'm going to talk about my art journey, and I'm also going to talk about my picture I drew for the virtual art exhibition show. I started out when I was 5 years old with Neha Auntie, and then I restarted with Neha Auntie when I was 11 years old. The reason I started was because I liked the Disney films and shows that I used to watch then. And I also like drawing from my own imagination rather than doing abstract art, because it makes me feel happier than if I do abstract art. And I'll talk about my picture now. The picture, this is yin and yang's stuff. This one is a yin and yang, and all of these yin and yangs are from Taoism. I borrowed them from it. And then the main character is basically a prince. His village is, or his country is in danger. He comes to the heavenly giant. This is heaven, by the way. And then he asks help, and then the heavenly giant contacts the heavenly dude, and then he comes to help the prince save his village. That's basically the story I wanted to try to show here. And here the prince came through lava and obstacles to come here, because without obstacles it would be boring. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye. People.
Hi, this is Aparna Desai. Beauty in the Pandemic. A beautiful topic inspired by Neha. I learned many paintings under her in different mediums, and I have presented them over here for you all to see. I also learned singing in this pandemic, which is another creative side of mine. So here this goes for you.
Hi Neha. So I will start with a beautiful motivation quote which impacts me a lot. It says this: change the belief and the thinking changes. Change the thinking and the action changes. And change the action and the result changes. So during the pandemic, during all these COVID times, of course we all were busy with our silly things to go about the whole day, doing all the household chaos. I wanted that change. And you know, when I was in my school days, regarding painting, I would never do it on my own. It was always like I would get hold of my friend and she has to complete my painting even during my exams and all. I was never good with painting and drawing and all. But then one little clipping of Neha which says that there is a Warli art workshop. I said, let me give it a try. And to start with, this is the thing what I did in the Warli workshop. And it turned out so beautiful. And I said, wow, I can really do it. And I did this, that's Krishna and Gopi and the birds singing and the sun god here. So to start with, we started this, and then Neha said, just lay your hands on whatever you can. She showed me all the different textures and the coloring ways, and just I went with the flow what Neha was guiding me, and I was so happy that I could do so much. And when I showed it to my friend who used to do painting and drawing for me, and she said, it's unbelievable, it's not possible that Parul, you can do this. Anyway, I went ahead, thanks to Neha. It was such a beautiful thing I could do. And then she told us something to do with nature. So you can't heal your life, this is what I did. And then something to do with water conservation. So this is how it started with Watch Your Step, carbon CO2, the way I've done it with water droplets. And of course, when I was doing all this, who was there to be behind me? My husband. He would come and say, "Arey, this is not done properly. I'll show you. And he would take away the painting brush from me, and he would start doing it. And then he would lay his hands on. So that way it went on with all the natural colors, and see how beautiful I've done with Neha's guidance, all the natural colors and all. And the last of the least, I had this beautiful leaf, and I wanted to do that leaf, how to paint it, and this is what I did. So this is what Neha, thank you so much for the change what I got in my thinking, and that lead to the actions, and this is what it has come up to. I'm so happy that I did this workshop, and I learned so much from you. Thank you so much. And now over to Bharat, my husband, who also has few things to talk about.
Hi Neha. Parul got inspired by you and the way she started doing the paintings. I was so fond of it during the school days, and I was getting tempted every time that I'll do it. So the catalyst was lockdown, and I used to see if she was missing out something, I would just help her out with that. And you won't believe, I did one painting just trying to help her out. And while she was trying to do a sketch of one painting of Ganpati, just trying to find out this from her portfolio. Yeah, so she was just sketching this, and I said, I'll tell you what to do. I tried to just work a little on it, and believe me, it was so tempting. I almost finished the sketch, and after the sketch I said Parul will do the painting. But I had seen Neha teaching this crayon with oils, and that I had never done. So I got tempted to do the painting as well. And then this is how I started with the shading and all. It took almost 3.5 hours, but I enjoyed it and I completed. This is the first complete painting after my schools. So thank you, Neha, for giving this temptations and opportunity. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite works of art. First is this one. I used a sponge to make the smooth transition of the background. Then I added these mountains and a few birds, painted them. Then I used a stamp on this paper and then I colored it in with my paints. And my favorite of them all is way up here, this one. I used lots of colors by making just circles with a few lumps, a stem with green and a few leaves. Thank you.
Hi, I am Arnav Satpathy. I am learning drawing and painting at Neha Asher ma'am's class. This is a tribal painting on which I am going to play a music. The name of the music is The River Flows in You.
Ma'am, this wheel is black so that you can come to know this part is the back part and this part is the front part. And if you press this, it will go behind, and if you press this, it will go in front. And then if you stop steering the wheel, it will directly stop. And then if you press this button, the dicky will automatically open. And this is the front light and this is the back light. So when you open the door, you can directly sit here. And if you're inside and you want to come out, so you press this blue button and then the door will automatically open.
जय श्री कृष्ण। मैं आफा वर्मा हूँ। मैं पिछले कई वर्षों से नेहा आसिफ के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ। उनके संसर्ग में और उनके प्रोत्साहन से मैंने कई तरह की पेंटिंग्स बनाई हैं, कई कलाकृतियाँ मैंने बनाई हैं। फिलहाल इस कोरोना काल में जहाँ हर मानव इतना परेशान है, ऐसे में मुझे बड़ी शांति मिली जब मैंने ये कृष्ण का म्यूरल बनाना शुरू किया। मैं आपको कैसे बताऊं, इन अनुभूतियों को मैंने बस महसूस किया है। बहुत पवित्र सा लगा मुझे ये बनाते हुए, बहुत ही अच्छी अनुभूतियाँ आई मेरे मन में। मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। मुझे पता ही नहीं चला मैं ये बनाते हुए कब मैं नृत्य में कभी खो जाती थी, कभी कृष्ण के गाने गाने लग जाती थी। बहुत ही सुकून मिला, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बड़ी शांति मिली।
My journey with drawing started after my son was enrolled in Neha Asher's classes, and I asked her if I could join as I was a housewife, and she said there were adults classes where there were many housewives who had already joined in. And after that, my first painting was this scenery of beach, which I had done. After this was done in an oil paint medium. After that, I did a acrylic based abstract butterfly, which is my original. And then I went on to do the Ganesha, which is again an abstract painting. After this, I did my Madhubani painting, Madhubani art form, which is more to do with pens. And after that, now what I am doing is this Kerala mural art. This will I did with the intention of.
Hello everyone, My name is Navya Raj and today I am going to tell you about the painting that I have made. So this is my first mosaic art painting. Mosaic art is done on plates and it is also used for decoration. Mosaic art is done by sticking glass, tiles, stones or shells. Since I didn't have these materials available, I've used paper here. I've tried to show a beach in my painting. So the bottommost layer is the sand, the middle layer is water. I've used two shades for water, dark blue and light blue. The topmost layer is the sky. This is the sun and its reflection in water. I've drawn two coconut trees to give a complete look to my painting. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Nishka and today I'm going to talk about my painting which is based on the theme Beauty in Pandemic. During this pandemic, we've all found something which provides us with some sort of comfort, and there is this one thing which I love to look at, and for me it's the sky. I've tried to depict my feelings through this abstract painting using some symbols, shapes, colors and lines. So when I first look at the sky, I feel happy and hopeful, but as I keep on looking at it, I feel curious about things and there are a lot of questions which never seem to go. But after some time, I feel calm and cool. I try to study myself and then I feel peaceful and content. It feels like everything else has just disappeared and it's just me in the sky. Though this feeling lasts only for a few moments, I really enjoy the experience. Thank you.
Manisha is painting her own husband's portrait. Hi Manisha.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
So how is the experience? How is this? Easy? Difficult?
ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा, हस्बैंड के बहुत पास आ गए ना करते करते.
थोड़ी
हाँ?
बारीकियां पता चल गई जो भी है.
बारीक बारीक चीज सब मालूम पड़ता है.
पता चल गया.
So see, she have worked very hard. She's doing highly realistic painting and she's trying to put up all the expressions here, and still around 20% things are incomplete in this painting. Hi Gavlin. How are you? So ये कौन सा नंबर का पेंटिंग है आपका? फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड?
ये मेरा सेकंड पेंटिंग है.
Okay, so how is your experience in painting?
It is wonderful. I am playing with lot many colors, not only the one unique color. There are lot many colors and lot many things to learn.
Okay.
So I'm learning all the smudging stuff.
Okay. So you're learning lots. This is what she is observing some artist work and she's learning the techniques of mixing colors, using the brushes in different ways. And this is my whole art studio, open air art studio. And here comes Nidhi. Hi Nidhi.
Hi ma'am.
So what are you painting?
I'm painting portrait of my daughter.
Oh, so this is her daughter and she's going to paint her portrait in this canvas. So how was this experience of sketching and how do you feel?
This is my first experience to sketch a portrait, but really it took time, but it was.
Why you want to paint your daughter's portrait?
Because I love the background colors.
Okay.
Even the picture, and I want to gift her on her birthday.
Oh, so this is a gift for her birthday. Superb gift. Hi Rajul.
Hi.
So how is your experience in painting?
Wow,
I know.
experience is amazing. I was so hesitant to use charcoal, but the painting is coming up very nice.
Yeah,
I'm
I can
planning
see
to
that.
do 2-3 more elements of ghats.
Rajul have even done the whole video about this Banaras Ghat and she have explained very beautifully, and the thing is that even she is learning from some artist work, and here we are using the medium charcoal, poster color and coffee. Hi Pankti, this is your first day.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
So what are you doing?
I'm painting an eye.
Okay. And how do you feel when you're with colors?
Like I'm in a different world.
Different world. Wow, even I feel that. So this is how my class is all about. Hi Sakshi. Sakshi have come 5 minutes late. So she is a little blacklisted. Let's see what you have done till now. Nothing as yet. Oh, okay. Come on, just start off.
दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे घुटे से बदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारी आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू हो दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है जब से बिखर तू है नदियों से खबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही
Hello everyone, my name is Aisha and I'm going to make a story with my clay characters. Some of them are broken but I can fix them because I'm a genius at all. In clay models and drawings I'm very good. So let's start with an exciting story. Once upon a time there lived an evil queen named Cruella. She was at the sun, the planet named Sun. She was very evil and she didn't burn because Sun was her friend. And the sun didn't burn Cruella. So she thought a plan to defeat all the other creatures on the planet. So Cruella said, I will defeat all of those planet things, or the humans or any animals who live in my solar system. So Cruella walked by one to the planets and she found the giant clock. Then she saw to the clock and said, it's too giant for me to touch. Then she was falling down and the clock didn't rescue her and pushed her on the other planet. So that was Uranus. So then again she was falling by the clock when she jumped. Then she got on Neptune. So there was her friend named Jerry the giraffe. And her name was Mia the human, Mia the princess. So they were again pushed by the clock and they fell on an astronaut. The astronaut got them and put them to Jupiter. So then on Jupiter there lived one more friend named London Guard. The friend's name was London Guard the Smiley Forever because he smiled forever and lived happily. And then he said, what they read on it, guys? Why you skipping to other planets? They said a big block is behind us and pushing us. It's following us and pushing us to another planet from falling down. Then they become a team and started to defeat the clock. They said, zoom, 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 zoom. And they defeated the clock and clock went back to Corella. And Corella said, Muhahaha, did you defeat them? He said, I couldn't. So she became very angry. And so the clock takes her some cookies, the magical cookies, who would get her to sleep. So she ate one and she fell to sleep. And the friends on the planet lived happily ever after. That's the end. Thank you guys to watch this video and bye.
Hello, I am Dipashna, and just like you all, I have been staying inside my house for around 8 months, and sitting at home for 24/7 makes most of us pretty frustrated, and it's not very easy. So जो ये अपनी boredom, frustration होती है, तो इसको निकालने के लिए, अपने mind से निकालने के लिए, art is a very very helpful subject. So this is a painting that I made. It is based on the theme of beauty in pandemic. So in this painting, I have only used lines, and it is I have depicted the lines as per my emotions. So some lines depict frustration, there is happiness, there is relaxation. There are many emotions, and I have all painted it down on one single piece of abstract painting, and it looks really good. So I really felt relaxed and happy while I was doing this, and after it was done, because it actually turned out very nice. So it's always said कि you should pen down your emotions. अगर आपको अच्छा feel नहीं हो रहा या फिर बहुत अच्छा feel हो रहा है, you should always pen down your negativity and then your positivity, because it really helps with your mind. So art is also just like that, but it also when you do it, not only you feel relaxed because your expressions are let out on a paper, but you also feel really happy and you enjoy it because you're playing with colors, you're playing with brushes, you're playing with everything that you can. So when you do it on a piece of paper or a canvas, you really feel happy too. So जब मैंने ये painting बनाई, so I didn't only feel relaxed, but I also had very much fun doing this, because I was playing with different colors and then different techniques, and which made me feel very very happy. And when you're doing an art and it really turns out really good, as it did turn out very nice, so you all automatically will feel really really happy and satisfied after your painting is done. So that was the same with me. So I would also recommend all of you to try painting your heart out, because this pandemic has made everything hard for everyone. So when you let go it on a piece of paper, you draw, you paint, you really feel happy and you feel relaxed, especially this kind of intense situation. So I will really really recommend to paint your heart out on a paper.
Hi, my name is Swati. I started my art journey with Neha Ashar in 2011. I have learned so many different techniques, brush strokes, blending of colors. I have learned to use different mediums like oil colors, acrylic colors, dry pastels, oil pastels, glass colors. Art teaches you so many things in your day-to-day life. I started observing Mother Nature very closely. I have become more respectful and responsible about my surroundings. Gradually, I started creating my original work, which gave me immense pleasure and a peace of mind. It gave me a happy feeling. It was a tremendous joy, which words can describe it. Art teaches you to overcome your difficulties and challenges in life. These are few of my creations: oil colors, acrylic colors, dry pastels on handmade paper. This is charcoal on handmade paper. Few dot arts, mandala art, stone art, my bottle work, something on dry leaves. I started this journey as a hobby, but now it has become my life.
Hi Jay, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. Wow, what a lovely. What is this, Jay? Explain to me.
Now, this is the rocket jet.
Okay.
So that means it can go in space.
Okay.
These two are planetariums
Okay.
to watch.
So.
This is a laser going through a rock.
Okay. Okay.
These are wheels to go underwater and on land.
Okay.
And these are blades to go into the sky.
Okay. Wow.
And the cup on oven,
Hmm.
table, counter is on the top.
Okay.
While the fridge is on where is below the countertops.
Oh, so you have to, from here, you have to walk all the way here.
Yeah.
Oh, to just have your food and rest.
Yep.
So this vehicle can go on the road also. Just explain me, it can go on a road or where it can go, this vehicle?
Can go anywhere.
Okay, so it can go anywhere means where?
It can go into the sky.
Okay.
It can going into the sea.
Okay.
It can go on land.
Okay.
Even it can go in space.
So what is this? Who is this?
This is me.
So what are you doing
Grown
here?
up.
So what are you going to do?
I am watching planets in this planetarium.
Okay, so this is again connected with your vehicle, planetarium.
Yep.
So if the vehicle is flying, even this will fly with vehicle.
Yeah.
And even this will fly. What is this you told?
A laser beam which is going through a rock.
Oh wow. So this vehicle is of what use to you?
I can go anywhere.
You can go anywhere
Yeah.
in this vehicle.
Yeah. Even at the top, there will be one sleeping chamber.
Oh yeah, I can see that. And what are all these hands? Extensions? What are all these?
These are not extension hands.
Then?
You mean this? That is a funnel to tell the news.
Oh, so you'll be sitting in the car, you will come to know all the news. Okay, and what is this thing?
This is for jet acceleration.
Okay.
So that means it can go in space.
Acha, and this?
This is also planetarium.
Two planetarium? Why two planetarium?
So if this is if the much bigger one is expired,
Uh-huh.
you can go in the other one.
Okay, so all backup plan also along with
You
it.
you see those tiny little dots over there?
Yeah, what are these? Yeah,
These
I
are
forgot.
small pebbles to make the planetarium big.
How can it make planetarium big with the small pebbles?
Because these are actually very heavy pebbles.
Okay, okay.
So it will keep it balanced.
Acha,
Otherwise
balance.
it will wobble.
What, your car will wobble up in the sky?
No.
Then?
The planetarium will wobble.
Acha, so you have used those pebbles to balance the planetarium?
Yeah.
Okay. Very, very interesting. This is Jay's original designer vehicle, and so beautifully he have designed. Thank you, Jay. You want to explain something more? Is
Yeah.
anything else left?
Yeah.
Okay, what?
So this is a fan.
Okay, fan. Okay.
This is a fan to keep flying.
Okay, so the fan will be on, so the vehicle will fly. Okay, superb. Thank you so much, Jay.
Hello everyone, I am Nandini. I am going to share few things with all of you, especially about my passion and my profession. And I think I'm lucky enough because I'm following passion as my profession. I have done my master degree in literature, and after that completed my B.Ed because I always wanted to become a teacher. Right now I am an art teacher at Delhi Public School, and I started my career as a subject teacher. At that time, when my daughter used to go to Neha's class for her art, I used to pick her up and drop her. That's when I found out that many housewife and senior people are also attended her class. I also got very interested that time, and I also started that class. I joined Neha's class. When I was young, I was really into art and craft and design. However, with time, I left it for many years. So after I saw this at Neha's place, I started this journey once again. And really, Neha guided me a lot throughout years. When I started doing this once again, I thought why I am not following my passion. And after that, when I started thinking about this, I discussed this matter with Neha. On the first day, I can remember still, she asked me if I wanted to be an art teacher or an artist. That was really a big question for me. And that's when I decided to become an art teacher, because I was very much inspired by Neha. Her thought process, her guidance, how she is dealing with the students, how she is guiding the students, it was amazing. Then I started attending many training sessions from Neha. She helped me a lot. I participated in her art shows and exhibitions, and that really built my confidence. So I joined after that DPS and did my government art degree also from Pune College. That's why, and I did my government art degree also from Pune College. That's why, and I started a completely different and new journey. And I can say I have been an art teacher for last 19 years, and art is a subject. It is not only drawing, painting, even not dealing with pencil and colors, but we can say, as an art teacher, I can say it's a totally different subject, where you can guide your students to visualize their dreams and express their emotions. Through art, they can really express their emotions, their thought process, and they can think differently, everything. And these days, CBSE has also introduced a concept of integrating art with other subjects. And this is actually helping the students to understand the subject in depth and in a different way also. Because we are relating this art, visual art, and not only this visual art, I am talking about visual art right now, but CBSE is integrating this art, not only visual art, with dance, music, physical education, theater, so many things with other subjects. And it is really exciting when we are preparing the projects and we are focusing a lot in this subject, in visual art also. And the students are getting more confidence when they are seeing their physics, chemistry, biology, and when they are comparing this subject with visual art. It is totally a new journey, I can say. And nowadays, many students are pursuing their degrees in art, animation, fine arts, art history, and are really doing very well and flourishing in this field. And I can see initially there used to be a mentality like आर्ट फील्ड में जाके क्या करना है, सब थोड़ी आर्टिस्ट बनने वाले हैं. But it is not like that right now. That concept totally changed now. There are so many options and scopes in the art field, and if we think थोड़ी आर्टिस्ट बनने वाले हैं, but it is not like that right now. That concept totally changed now. There are so many options and scopes in the art field, and if we think about it, our daily life would be extremely dull and colorless, meaningless without art. So I feel pursuing art would be a great idea for someone who is keen to choose their career in this field and should totally be encouraged to go for it. And this is my personal experience. Thank you, everyone.
This is Sarah, and today I am here to talk about this painting. I approximately took 2 weeks to complete this painting. I made this painting in my drawing class. Neha ma'am taught us to make this painting style in the class. And this is my first painting on a canvas. This is a wildlife and nature mixed painting. Because this is the wildlife means the deer, and this is its horns means the trees. So these trees are the nature and this is the wildlife. And the beautiful color, the texture, and this all matters the paintings, and it gives a very nice feeling. And this was the first painting in my canvas which is made in my drawing class. And here we have given some different colors, different textures, and some beautiful trees, beautiful
this thing, and here the dots, beautiful background color, and here in the corner, means the edge of the painting, I have given the black color so that it looks a complete painting and a neat painting. I hope you like this painting.
I am decorating the Christmas tree with my family.
Can you show what each thing is? You explain to Miss Neha.
This is a TV. This is glass. This is the Christmas tree. These are humans.
What humans? Your grandma and grandpa, right? Yes.
And this is my mom, and this is me, and this is what is thing that you hang on the door.
A wreath.
It's a wreath.
Christmas wreath, yeah.
And this is snow, and this is snow, and this is strong winds, and this is my dad, and this is the house, and these are Christmas decorations, and these are windows.
Yeah, and this is a
ladder, and this is the door.
Why is Daddy climbing up the ladder?
To do that.
To decorate? Okay.
Yeah. And I'm cleaning up the ladder to get down the roof.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm cleaning it up.
Namaste. I'm Shobha Verma. I want to share my experience with you. Since last 6 years, I am a student of Asher's Art Corner. 8 years ago, I had to shift to stay with my children. At that time, I was shattered and heartbroken. My family is loving and caring, but I needed something more to hold on to and to spend my time in a more meaningful way. Then I joined the Asher art class. In the beginning, I was a little hesitant, but the atmosphere in the class was very friendly and encouraging. I started a new journey. Gradually, shapes, colors, and forms started becoming more meaningful and real. My observation skills also started improving. Earlier, I used to watch plants, leaves, buds, flowers, and birds every day. But now I had a deeper connection with nature. When you start painting on a fresh canvas and the new colorful forms start emerging, it is like a miracle is taking place. I never feel that I am trying to paint something, but always feel some other power is doing everything. I keep observing new forms on the canvas throughout the day, and it is always a blissful experience where you are deeply connected to your artwork. You have challenges and anxious moments also. When you are not able to get the desired results, then Neha ma'am's encouraging advice makes you try all over again. Then you see a beautiful form emerging which gives new meaning to your life. There is so much more to learn in this field, yet this has been a beautiful journey of 6 years with Neha. She has always held my hand and has taken me to a new and beautiful world of art. I am now more confident, comfortable, and expressive person than what I was before. I want to express deep gratitude towards Neha. Thank you, Neha, and all my friends in the class. Thank you.
हाय मेरा नाम बोमा देवी जय कुमार है और मैं बचपन से पेंटिंग करती हूँ और मैंने बहुत सारे वैरायटीज़ ऑफ पेंटिंग सीखा है और पेंसिल स्केचिंग में बहुत अच्छा करती हूँ. पेंसिल स्केचिंग, ह्यूमन स्केचिंग सब करती हूँ. बहुत अच्छा मेरा फेजेस सब आता है, मगर मुझे कलर्स यूज़ करते वक्त मुझे थोड़ा ट्रिकी रहता है कि 3D इफेक्ट लाने में मोनोक्रोमैटिक कलर्स यूज़ करके. तो मैंने मेकअप सीखा था. 2 इयर्स मैंने पेंटिंग से ब्रेक लेके मेकअप कम्प्लीटली एक प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट से, एक नहीं 2-3 प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट से जो एक्टर्स को भी मेकअप करते हैं और हमारे साउथ में थोड़े फेमस हैं, उनसे सीखा था. और प्रॉपरली सीखा था मैंने, जैसे फेस को एक प्लेन कैनवस बना के उसके बाद उसमें से कैसे हम फीचर्स को एनहांस कर सकते हैं। कभी कभी फीचर्स को हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं। किसी का नोज टेढ़ा रहा तो उसको कैसे करना है, किसी का आंख छोटा रहता है उसको कैसे बड़ा कर सकते हैं। तो ये मैंने पेंटिंग में मैंने यूज़ किया था। एक कृष्णा बनाया था, तो मैं इतना कंफर्टेबली मैंने पेंटिंग किया था क्योंकि मैं जानती हूँ मैं कुछ भी गलत होना है तो मुझे कुछ भी गलत हुआ तो मुझे रब करके या इरेज करके फर्स्ट स्टेज स्टार्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। और मैं कलर्स को ब्लेंड करना सीख चुकी थी और कैसे उसको मुझे कहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली और फीचर्स को मैं ह्यूमन फीचर्स को मैं प्रॉपरली स्टडी करने के लिए भी, क्योंकि किसी का डबल चिन रहता है उसे मेकअप से कैसे उसको हाइड कर सकते हैं, किसी का चिन ऐसे फ्लैट रहता है या स्वेलन रहता है उसको कैसे हम ये ठीक करना है, नोज बड़ा नोज रहा तो उसको पतला कैसे करना है, वो सब हम मेकअप में करते हैं। तो मैंने पेंटिंग में यूज किया। मैं यहाँ पे एक कृष्णा पिक्चर को इंसर्ट करूंगी और कृष्णा भी किया था मैंने, गणेशा भी किया था। तो मैंने ह्यूमन फीचर्स को स्टडी करने के लिए मैंने मेकअप एक टूल जैसे यूज किया है, क्योंकि हमें एक कैनवस में ट्राई करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी या कुछ फेंकने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। हम अलग अलग फेजेस में ट्राई कर सकते हैं उनका फीचर्स एनहांस करने के लिए, और उसके बाद हमें उसे ही कैनवस में इमेजिन करना है कि ये एक फेज है और इसका आईज मुझे ऐसे चाहिए। क्योंकि हम ट्रेडिशनल पेंटिंग में क्या करते हैं, हम किसी को देख के ड्रॉ करते हैं या किसी को इमेजिन करके ड्रॉ करते हैं। हम किसी को देख के भी ड्रॉ किया ना तो मेकअप से क्या होता है ना, हम उनकी फीचर्स को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा एनहांस कर सकते हैं और बिना डर के हम कर सकते हैं। और एग्जैक्टली फीचर्स कहाँ आना चाहिए, कैसे होना चाहिए, कितना लाइट कहाँ पे आना चाहिए, वो सब मैंने उससे सीखा था। बस, थैंक यू।
દાદા, how did you like the class?
मैं बहुत સરસ ગમ્યું, મને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ બી હતો પેઇન્ટિંગમાં બી, એ હિસાબે આઈ લાઈક ઇટ, સો આઈ ટ્રાય ટુ ડુ સમથિંગ, મને સેટિસ્ફાય થાય એટલા માટે મને આઈ લાઈક ધ ક્લાસ ઓલ્સો. આઈ એમ પેઇન્ટિંગ, આઈ લાઈક ઇટ, બસ.
And how did the colors impact your life?
કલર્સ એફેક્ટ મને સારી રીતે રહ્યું, એમાં કંઈ બીજું નવું કંઈ નહોતું મારા માટે. ઇટ વોઝ વેરી નાઇસ.
This painting I had done yesterday. The tree is in an angry mode and saying, "Stop, don't cut me." I used tube paints to do this painting. First, I took paint and spread it on my hand and I did an impression. Then I put dots of paint on the paper and then I folded it and smudged it. And when I opened it, I got like these leaves.
Hello everybody, my name is Aura and today I am going to tell you the story about the bad virus who is baddie and an antivirus who is goodie. Once, everything was normal in the city. Parents used to go to offices, children used to go to school, maids used to come at home, and mothers used to take care of their children. But then, one fine day, scientists, they started cutting down trees and started making more cars and roads, and this made the air too polluted. And then, one day came and something bad happened. A bad virus came into the world. It all started from China. Many people started dying. And because of that, lockdown started. No parents used to go to work. No children used to go to school. Maids stopped. And everything got shut down because of the lockdown. And then, because of that, no vehicles on the road, no shops open, no people roaming around, everybody at home. And that started making the air clean, birds started roaming here and there, plants and animals started growing back and coming back. And that's when the air also got fresher. And then, scientists understood that there was a cure. They made a cure which helped all the people to stay safe from this virus. And then slowly the virus went away and everything came back to normal. People started going to their offices, children started going to their schools, and maids started coming home. The end.
Hi all, I am Sparsh Jena. I am learning arts from Neha Asher Auntie from last 10 months. I really started enjoying arts. I learned many things from Neha Auntie. She always helps me and encourages me to do my work. Now I will show one of my drawing. This is a picture of beauty in pandemic. In this picture, I created a drawing in a square box and with different shapes and texture. I designed and I filled with all happy colors. Thank you, Neha Auntie, for all your help.
Hi, I am Shushmita, mother of Sparsh Jena. Sparsh have joined Asher Arts Corner in the month of January. After few months, COVID-19 pandemic took place. And it was very difficult time for kids. At that situation, ma'am thought to take online art classes. It was a great idea for Sparsh. I would say Sparsh was not at all art lover. But after joining Neha ma'am classes, I observed that his interest towards art was gradually increasing. And I was really very happy. He never missed one online classes in this whole situation. Ma'am have always appreciated for Sparsh for that. Ma'am took lot of effort to help kids. Not only kids but also parents. Ma'am connect through Zoom, through video call, to voice call. Ma'am give lot of time to kids. Ma'am explains very nicely and kids get interested towards that topic. Thank you, ma'am, for all your efforts. Thank you, ma'am, whatever you have done for kids. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Raju Mishra. Through this painting, I'm trying to take you the old rustic world of Varanasi and its ghats. Varanasi is the ancient city in the world, and Varanasi is known for old temples, ghats, holy Ganges, and mesmerizing Ganga Aarti. The experience of Ganga Aarti in the evening is beyond words. I'm trying to recreate this painting through charcoal, poster color, and coffee. Thank you, Neha Ashers, to guided me in this journey, and I was very much connected with this piece of art. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Kea Oza. This is a video in which you will be seeing me dancing and expressing my feelings that my family and I had gone through while we had a small little art session at our home where everyone painted their own little drawings, and we really enjoyed it a lot. And it clearly shows the true meaning of beauty in the pandemic. So I hope you all like it and enjoy.
Hello, hope you had a great time watching these videos and songs and dance and music and integration of colors, art, creativity, expression. Oh, so many things. Yes. Beauty in pandemic. These 6-7 months, I don't want to talk much, but yeah, myself and all my students, we had a good time. One thing, we got enough time to sit and create, to be with colors, to come with ourselves, and tidbits and so many things have been covered in our video. So my thanks goes to all the parents who have really taken effort, all my students who are consistent sitting for the art class. And yes, in my class I'm trying to cover many things. Art is not just to create an original painting. Yes, if you are born creative, if you're gifted, yes, but if you are not, that doesn't mean you have to stop painting, because painting teaches you a lot. If you just go and do ancient rock painting, if you sketch it, that itself is telling a lot of history about art. So as Geeta ma'am told you, or the way Nandini told you about how art is so much important for human mind, the left and the right mind. The right mind is very less used in our curriculum education system. So I would really request that children, parents, teachers, let's open the doors of creative mind more and use a complete potential of human mind. And yeah, in beauty in pandemic, for me, the therapy was creating a lot of art lessons for my student. And then yes, when I get such lovely comments from my student that they are feeling this, they are feeling that, and that really helps me. A big thanks goes to my volunteer gang. Oh my God, Jigisha, Chandana, Aishwarya, Neha, Dua, Madhvi, Abha. These gang had really helped me to just compile this whole video. To be very honest, we teachers have never learned how to teach things online, and it was not an easy job. It was tough, but yes, slowly we picked up that also. And spoil your hands, make it messy, let one corner be messy. Doesn't matter whether you are child or adult or senior citizen. Please be with color and freak out. Thank you so much once again to all of you. Bye.